Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted every Tuesday by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and our guest today is At Home with Lisa. And the theme she has chosen is Modern Earthy Tone. So I've been doing some research, and what I've come to realize is that Modern Earthy Tones focuses on natural colors and textures to create a warm and inviting and sophisticated atmospheres. So what you want to think of is warm browns, greens, and cream colors. So I will be decorating with my Lenox china, and it has a cream color with a silver trim. I had the teacup, the salad plate, and the dinner plate. And then I have my placemat from the Dollar Tree with the butterflies on it. And then I have a cream color napkin with a silver napkin ring. And then my silver and gold knife and fork from Amazon. So I think this all has a very sophisticated look. And then next I have my vintage Anchor Hawking crystal fluted goblet. Isn't that pretty? And then along with a champagne fluted glass. So I thought that made for a nice pair of drinking glasses and a very pretty and earthy colored dinnerware. I really like the placemat that I got from the Dollar Tree with the butterflies on it. Now, as far as my centerpiece, I have this greenery, and I also have a brass and a crystal candle holder with these like peachy orange candles that I recently ordered from Amazon. Aren't they pretty? I really love the color. And the table runner is also from Amazon. It is a boho rustic natural burlap with cream and brown colors. And then I'm also using a wooden dough bowl for the centerpiece. And I just place the greenery inside the white pot and place that inside the dough bowl. Okay, I'm just taking you around the table so you can get an overall look. And I also want to thank our guest host, which is Lisa, for choosing the theme Modern Earthy Tones for a tablescape. I hope she likes what I put together. Oh, and I do want to mention that there are bamboo or rattan balls in the dough bowl as well. And at the ends of the dough bowl are little deer heads that are in silver. The dough bowl was a gift, so I'm not sure where that was purchased. Now don't go anywhere. I will be lighting the candles next. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Now be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. And a big thank you to Anna for being the host and Lisa for being the guest host. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.